Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I went from this to this. So keep watching, and in the meantime make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the community and get notified when I have new videos. So this hair is just absolutely gorgeous. Stay tuned guys as I show you how I achieved this style. So I started with simple cornrows at the back. I didn't put any parts actually, so this is really simple and it's not even straight, but it got the job done, and this is what it looks like. So the hair I'll be using is the Janet Collection PERM Peruvian in the ocean wave style, in the length 18 inches. It was super long. The texture is absolutely amazing, really soft. It's like a kinky blowout texture, and I was really excited to try this style. So I just went ahead and sped up this first part of the video. I'm just going to go in and crochet a little bit and then slow it down and show you guys the process in more detail. So as I crocheted, I realized that I needed to knot the hair at least 5 times for it to stay. The texture didn't feel like I needed to do that because I thought it would just hold with one, but it was slipping out. So the technique I used just kept it in place. I knotted each strand about 4 to 5 times, and it worked. So it's just one of the unexpected things that I just had to deal with. But overall the hair looks big initially after crocheting, but as you can see it's not that big. Like, it's really small, it's not heavy, and it's super long as well. So the next part I will show you guys how I did the crochet when I get to the front, and that's basically all I did for this hair. And if you have enough hair, just keep filling it in to get your desired amount of hair in there and your desired style. So this is how I do my crochet most of the time. This one I will show you how I did the knots to keep the hair in place and also prevent it from slipping. So I go in with my crochet needle and then pass the 2 strands through like that, but every time I bring it out on the other end I just turn it around, so it's like creating a knot. So I did this about 4 to 5 times for each crochet strand that I did, and that sort of helped secure it additionally. So let me show you guys one more time. So you go in with your crochet needle, put the hair, cover the latch hook, pull it through, and as you knot, just sort of turn your hand around. I hope it is self-explanatory as you're watching the video, but let me know if you have any questions down below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. So I just showed you guys about 3 times how I did this, and it was really helpful to just keep the knots in place, keep them from slipping, because again I did not know it was my first time using this hair, but it's really nice hair. I just did not know I would have to do this method. And honestly, when I finished, I wasn't really worried about doing a knotless method either. I wanted it to look like I did some micro braids, so this knotting method really helped because it just looks like I did micro braids. Anyways, so this is it. At this point I was already done, and I just went in with the last pack and filled up the spaces because I saw that there were some spaces. This is how long the hair is, 18 inches. It is actually really long, and that was why, if you see the finished pictures on Instagram, check them out, guys. You will see that I cut this hair to about just right past my shoulder. So let's see the finished look. So look at that, guys, I look so pretty. So yeah, the hair was just really unexpected for me. I didn't expect to like it, but I really do. I've been able to do a lot of styles with this, so make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you've tried this style. Tag me, and I'll see you all in the next video.